Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3082.910. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. If you look at this particular trend, chances are high that if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see, and if that sustain, a further high. Okay, if you look at the trend if you look at from 4 weeks, there is a continuous upside. Okay, but in that fifth week, the previous fifth week, we have seen only this is the part where a profit booking has come. Otherwise there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, and why this happened? If you look at this trend, see, this was the pattern forming, and if you have waited after a level of $2642, there is a continuous upside. Only at this level we have seen it has fallen a bit, otherwise there is a continuous high. Okay, so we have seen around $400 movement on the high side. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at this trend, what we have seen, the price now trading at a level of 3083. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. You have to understand that it plays an important role in the price of gold. Okay, so if the price started sustaining, the dollar index started sustaining, there is a higher chance that it can move towards 1064.6, and from there a further upside towards 105.2. If the price started going above this level, probability of touching 106.2 will be there, and then a further upside towards 106.5. okay, if the price started going above this level, there is a higher chances that we can see it can move towards a level of 108, and from there a further upside towards 108.6. okay, and then there is a higher chances we can see a further upside. As soon as the price started going over 108.5, a further upside we can see towards 109.4. okay, now the price is trading at a level of $104. Chances are high if it started going above this level, probability of going 104.6, and from there it will cross a level of $105.1, and because this is already being tested, so chances are high the price will 0.5 and then to a level of 107, because these are strong resistance. Okay, but if the price started keep falling below this level, we can see there is a higher chances that if it started going below a level of $103.2, there is a higher chances that it will move below 103, because this is already being a weak support. So chances are high the price will fall further down and it will go towards 102.5 to a level of 101.8. if the price started falling below that level, it will move towards 100.2, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see, because there will be a zone breakout. So further downfall we can see towards 99.5, and then a further downfall. Okay, and that is what we can see. Now you have to understand, when the dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price comes down. Okay, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price goes up. So suppose if the price sustain above this level, chances are high it will move towards a level of today's high, that is 3089, and if that sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 3100. If it started going above this level, chances of touching 3120 we can see, and then from there a level of 3030 to a level of 3130 to a level of 3150. See, these are assumptions what we can see. Okay, based on the week chart. Okay, what we have seen the week, if you look at this week chart, you will see the week prices after making a low of around 3000, it made a high of around for this week we have seen a level of $3083. okay, full week it has moved around $80 or $85, $89. okay, but if the next week what we have seen from a level of 2 seen in this weeks. Okay, so probability can be high next week also. There is a chance that we can see this movement if it is on the upside. Okay, so keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7, because movement will be as per that, and your risk and target you should decide as per your risk capabilities. Okay, now coming back again on the chart, if you look at if the price didn't sustain, there is a chances that it can come down towards 3056, and from there it can move towards next level, that is 3005. After 3056, which is a strong support one, then we can see a support to us 30.05, and once started moving below that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $29.53. Okay, because this is a bounce back we can see from this level. But if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of $29.39, and from there a level of $29.28, $29.39 to a level of $29.28. And if the price started going below this level, chance of touching $28.86 is there. Okay, and if the price moving below that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of $28.30. And if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2800 you can see, and then after 2830 we can see level 2800 to then it can move further down. Okay, so probability of going further